Hi there. Yes, I know what you're thinking. That was the last thing you'd expect, is another video of me following the update video on Friday. But that was taken probably about 4 weeks ago. So this is a bit more current. I'm in France at the moment, so in the Loire Valley. We finally made it there, which has been brilliant. Been here probably about 3 weeks now, but it's given me a chance to sit down and do a bit of relaxation. We're just in a little village called Dry, or Dry, D-R-Y, which is probably about 10 minutes away from Frnce, where actually the other day we stopped for a night. The weather was gorgeous. We had a bit of a mini heat wave, 29 degrees, 30 degrees, which was quite nice. So one night there turned into 2 nights, turned into 3 nights in the end, which is always nice when you haven't got a plan, I'll be honest with you. So that's given me plenty of time to really sit back and think about and reflect on the channel changes and what I want to do. It's been quite interesting really, because I've been trying to challenge myself of what is the things I want to start doing, and also what are the things I want to stop doing. And I think one of the things that probably bugged me, and it's probably bugged some of the viewers, is that the videos aren't really present, in as that they can be sometimes up to 12 months old. The Polish and the Irish series was definitely, by the time I'd edited the last ones, we're at least 12 months away, which is crazy really, because they could be coming out in a different season, which is always quite frustrating. But it also means that, you know, the way my process is that I'm very much backlog editing. So I've got a huge backlog it's almost like that dirty room syndrome that you don't want to go into and tidy up sort of thing. So that's always a bit of a background frustration for me. So I've decided on this trip, actually, I want to have a mantra that's going to be more present and more in the moment. So what does that mean? I think what I'd like to do is make sure I share a video with you that's no more than, let's say, a week old. That allows me to be more present. You might think it's going to put more pressure on, but that's going to force me to change my style a bit, be a bit more faster on the turnaround, be a bit more succinct in what I'm doing. I'm hoping that the content will be just as good. I'm sure it will. I've just already created a few in that mode. Yeah, that's going to be my challenge. Obviously, that means you know, when I'm not traveling on big trips, I'll be able to perhaps spend more time going out on shorter excursions local to me, and also sharing other things that I'm doing in my life and that. So that's the mission. Just a bit of a short update. So what that really means is that I'm no longer going to have a production break. As I said in the last video, we're going to go straight into sharing. I keep saying I am going to go straight into sharing the next episode, which will be the Loire series this Friday. So stay tuned for that, and keep an eye out for that, and let me know what you think. So that'll be the first of, I guess, a new style of videos of me 100% in control, but also on this new approach. Obviously, I've still got a bit of catching up to do. So like I said, I'm 2 or 3 weeks in the trip already, so I'm going to have to produce and get them out and gradually get myself to a position where I'm definitely current and in the moment. Thanks very much.